with time, patience and the right approach, you can get to a point where you can brush their teeth, and it can be sort of a experience that is, I guess, maybe not pleasurable for them, but certainly something that they find enjoyable. Maple will often fall asleep while she's having her teeth brushed because she finds it to be something that is, you know, just part of the way we interact, and it's a relaxing part of our evening. The recommendation, or what we would recommend, is to ideally try and brush once a day. Part of that is developing a routine, which means you're more likely to stick to it, but also unless we're sort of getting in and removing the plaque layer off the teeth on a regular basis, and that is ideally once a day, we will start to find that there is more build-up within the mouth and a higher progression to, or increased sort of rate of periodontal disease reoccurring. Or I guess when you're looking at introducing brushing, we always recommend talking to your veterinarian first before doing so. We want to make sure that our pets' mouths are healthy and pain-free when we introduce brushing. We certainly don't want to do it if your pet already has gum disease or periodontal disease or a sore mouth. The reason for this is it's going to be an unpleasant experience for them, and essentially you're setting yourself up for failure. Brushing is something that we ideally want to introduce at a young age before periodontal disease sets in, or following a dental treatment where their mouths are at their healthiest, so we can maintain them at that level for as long as possible before their next clean. Something else we get asked a lot is, when is the best time to brush? Honestly, it's whenever it suits your schedule. The best thing is to establish a routine that's something that works for you and your pet. We tend to recommend doing it at a time when your pet's nice and calm. You can also do it before feeding. There's no real association with the timing of brushing and the effectiveness of the brushing. So it can be something that you can do before a meal, and that meal can be the reward for sitting there and having the brushing done. It can be, for us, we do it as part of our bedtime routine, that the girls sort of are nice and quiet and calm, and we tend to sort of brush our teeth before we move on to bed. So it's really just establishing a routine that works for you. If you want to find out more about caring for your dog's teeth, jump on our website, animaldental.com.au.